Let's be clear. We can't expect relief from the tired old theories that in 8 short years doubled the national debt, threw our economy into a tailspin, and led us into this mess. And the volunteers filled 2.5 million of them in just 5 days, working against the clock, day and night, with tired arms and aching backs. After a decade of profligacy, the American people are tired of politicians who talk the talk, but don't walk the walk when it comes to fiscal responsibility. And I'm going to keep asking students and parents and business leaders to help, because there are millions of Americans outside Washington who are tired of stale political arguments, ready to move this country forward, and determined to restore the founding vision of opportunity for all.
And that means that we're mortgaging our children's future with more and more debt. But what's also true is at some point they're just going to get tired of buying our debt.
Those between 50 and 64 who've had trouble getting coverage have also told us that they're sick and tired of being told that they cannot get covered because of their age or a pre-existing condition.
And the reason is because there are too many folks out there who are having a tough time to get tired.
It's easy after a hard day's work to just put your kid in front of the TV set. You're tired. Don't want to fuss with them instead of reading to them. But that's a sacrifice we must joyfully accept.
Are you tired of people saying what's on their mind?
Beyonce had one of the best videos of all time.
Everyone's got an opinion.
Cameras at some point may leave. The media may get tired of the story, but we will not. Give me your tired and your poor, your huddled masses yearning to be free. Going on the offense, tired of playing defense, targeting their leaders, pushing them out of their strongholds.
You know, over the last 2 years, the older governors will tell you, or at least the ones that have been around for 2 years, will tell you they probably got tired of hearing from me.
So he works until about noon, and then he comes back and he's tired. So he's usually laying around.
You must be tired. Maybe work in the field, but someday, my daughter will be mayor or Secretary of Labor or a Supreme Court justice. Hermanos y hermanas. And that's exactly what folks are tired of.
Never get tired of saying that, right? I am pleased to be here with all of you as we recognize this year's recipients of the National Design Awards.